Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that deserves the spotlight. The best 20V brushless compact cordless drill you can get your hands on. If you're someone who values power, precision, and convenience, then stick around, because this drill is designed with you in mind. Let's start with one of its standout features, battery intelligence. The integrated power management system makes it incredibly easy to monitor battery life in real time. Whether you're on a construction site or fixing a few things around the house, this means no more mid-task interruptions or scrambling for a backup battery. It's all about uninterrupted workflow and smarter planning. Now let's talk about the motor, the heart of any drill. This model comes equipped with a brushless motor, which not only boosts performance but also significantly extends the tool's lifespan. It delivers high-efficiency torque with less heat and wear, so you're getting professional-grade power with a compact, ergonomic build. The brushless design means fewer internal parts rubbing together, and that means long-term durability and reduced maintenance. It features a 2-speed transmission, giving you 0 to 400 revolutions per minute on the low setting and up to 1,500 revolutions per minute on the high. This versatility is perfect for switching between delicate screwdriving tasks and high-speed drilling. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or even masonry, this drill handles it all without breaking a sweat. But performance isn't everything, ergonomics matter too. This drill is designed with user comfort in mind. It has a lightweight, well-balanced frame that fits naturally in your hand. Even during extended use, fatigue is minimal, and control is maximized. The grip is soft yet secure, allowing you to maneuver in tight spaces without sacrificing power or accuracy. Another convenience feature worth mentioning is the LED work light. It's perfectly positioned to illuminate your work area, especially useful in dimly lit environments or tight corners where shadows can interfere with precision. You won't need an extra flashlight or a second set of hands. Just pull the trigger, and the light takes care of the rest. Storage and portability are also taken care of. The included carry case keeps everything organized and protected. Whether you're heading to a job site or storing it in your garage, everything you need is in one place. In summary, this 20V brushless compact cordless drill is a powerhouse built for real-world use. It combines pro-level torque with intelligent design choices that make it ideal for both serious contractors and DIY enthusiasts. With a rugged build, impressive battery management, and an efficient brushless motor, it's more than just a drill. It's a work companion you can count on. If you're looking to invest in a compact drill that doesn't compromise on strength or smarts, this is the one to go for. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns, and leave a comment letting us know what tool you want us to test next. See you in the next video.